Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Steve Dubois and I'm Assistant Professor of Psychology at IIT, and I'm making this video to say hello, welcome back from spring break, even though it's such a strange time, and to wish you well, and also to just give you a little insight into what it's been like for me to be working from home and social distancing. I'm in my dining room currently. We've got multiple computers set up here, one with documents, one with statistical analyses going on. We've got a lot of plants. That's what generally my house is like. We've got a lot of plants going on all around. Something special that I've used during this time is this 1980s exercise bike, but I wanted to give you a demonstration of what it's like because it's so loud. So here you go. This is my exercise during social distancing. You see the very loud. Whatever it takes to get through together. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.